It's time now for better food, and when you think burgers, you might be thinking cookout.
But Chef Hunter Morton from the Max Restaurant Group is showing us a non-traditional gourmet burger recipe. Hello there.
How we doing?
Good, how are you?
I think burgers are good anytime, but they have started to get fancier. Like, it's cool to order a burger at a nice restaurant like yours.
Well, we just redid the menu over at both of our Max Burger locations, and we have one in West Hartford, and then we also have one in East Long Meadow, up in Mass. And so it's been a while.
So some new burgers are on the menu.
We do. We have some new really exciting burgers, and this is one of the ones that we're featuring right now. And this is really more of a knife and fork kind of style burger.
Okay.
We start with, as you always want to start with for a burger, with some really nice ground beef. This is all natural beef. We get it out of Southern California from Brandt Beef, and it just has great quality, nice fat content. So we're going to start searing our burgers off.
And this is a French onion burger? Is that what we're making?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
So then, what else do we need?
Onions?
Onions, exactly, right? So for that, we have some onions just sliced up. I like to start with a little bit of oil, a little bit of butter in the pan.
Okay, just white onions?
Yep, exactly, just white Spanish onions.
Now, if you didn't have a cast iron skillet, could you use like a grill pan or something for the burgers?
Of course, 100%. Use whatever you got. I love cast iron pans. You can put it on the stove, walk away, forget about it, and they're just so heat resilient. And they're easy to clean. You can just wipe them out, keep them seasoned, put a little bit of oil in there, and they just keep going. So that's the great thing about that. So we like to cook our onions down. We're gonna have our burgers going. We have some beautiful rosemary semolina toast. So I just kind of toast that up. You can put it in your pan after your burger comes out. So we're gonna just have that.
Because a lot of people are also starting to do bunless burgers, and this is giving you a choice, or a little bit less. You can just eat it with this really flavorful bread.
Exactly, 100%. So with this,
how long would you have to cook the burgers for on each side?
It's till the temperature you want to cook it.
Okay.
If you want it mid-rare, I always go with about 8 minutes.
4 and 4?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
And if you have kids who don't want it all pink inside, a little longer, right?
Right, a little longer. So just leave it in the oven.
Okay.
So our onions are going to cook down. Keep those going. Don't skimp. Get them nice and caramelized. Then we're going to go in with, we have some chicken stock. We have some beef stock.
Ooh, yum.
Worcestershire. A little fresh thyme I really like to always put in with my...
So it's going to be like the base of a French onion soup, cooking the onions.
Exactly.
Okay, yum.
You got it.
Some salt and pepper.
Exactly. Always. We're always seasoning.
And what's this? Oh, that was the Worcestershire?
That was the Worcestershire. Yep. So we're going to, Kara, do you mind grabbing? We have some burgers that are coming out.
The magic of TV. We've got them ready in here. Now, do you need, is this a good idea to put them in the oven to melt the cheese?
Yeah, we want to get that cheese nice and melty.
Yep.
Okay, so you just put that in the oven to heat it up a little bit. Yum.
It's really hot. Be careful.
So I took some of those caramelized onions, put them right on top of the burger. Some Swiss cheese.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God, that looks so good. Now, what kind of special toast is this?
I get this from Hartford Baking Company, local company.
Right in West Hartford Center.
Yep, great stuff. And I just toasted that up.
Now, what's this? Is this this is gonna turn into?
Correct. We're just let that keep cooking down. And this is something you can serve this on the side if you want to be really fancy. I mean, come on,
we can make a little mini gravy.
Right,
look at
exactly.
that.
So it comes this way at Max Burger, and then you dump it on.
You got it.
Oh, that is looking amazing.
It'll make the bread all soft.
Kara's just throwing it all on there.
Yeah, okay. So it's basically a cup of soup on top of the burger. It's delicious.
Exactly, right? And then we just garnish it up a little bit. We got some chives, whatever you want. I like to put a little in my burgers. I do like to put a little bit of onion powder in there, just to kind of spice it up. And then you can have as much fun with it as you want.
That's great. It actually wasn't that hard if you wanted to make like a fun meal for someone.
Right, because you could be doing, all that while the burger's cooking.
Right.
So Melissa, there's a little fork in the drawer right by you.
Oh, okay.
There's two
right
here.
there.
One for you.
Are we trying it right now?
Sure, just a little try right here.
Sure.
Well,
Sure,
I mean,
exactly.
if Scott were here, he'd be eating
I
the
can't
whole
eat
thing.
the bread.
exactly.
Yeah, don't eat the bread, but we'll just have a little bit of the meat.
Oh
Melissa's
man, this
gluten-free.
looks really good. So obviously you.
That is so good, and that's on the menu right now.
Yes, come and get it.
All right, thank you so much, Hunter.
Thanks for having me.
Delicious.
We'll see you soon.
All right, to see a list of all the Max restaurants, to make reservations or check out the catering menus, you can visit maxrestaurantgroup.com.